Use nitrile gloves, long sleeves, long pants, and closed-toe shoes when applying Pesti Smart Pest Plan pesticides. When preparing to apply pesticides from Pesti Smart Pest Plan, put on nitrile gloves that fit snugly to prevent chemical contact and punctures. Check the glove manufacturer guidance for chemical resistance and change gloves if they become torn or contaminated. Wear a long-sleeve shirt with cuffs that fasten or can be tucked under gloves so material does not ride up. Choose tightly woven cotton or a lightweight synthetic fabric that resists penetration and can be laundered separately. Select long pants that are durable and that sit over boot tops or can be tucked into socks to keep spray off skin. Avoid shorts and lightweight breezy fabrics that allow droplets to reach skin. Use closed-toe shoes with a firm sole to protect feet from spills and to provide stable footing on uneven surfaces. Leather or synthetic work shoes are preferable over canvas. If you may be exposed to drift or fine mist, consider adding a face shield or safety glasses with side protection and a disposable N95 style respirator if the product label or your symptoms suggest inhalation risk. Always read and follow the Pesti Smart Pest Plan product label for any additional personal protective equipment requirements and laundering instructions for clothing after use. A common mistake is assuming garden gloves are sufficient when they are not. Avoid thin fabric gloves and use chemical-resistant nitrile gloves and replace them when compromised. Another frequent issue is neglecting to protect eyes and face. Wear safety glasses with side protection or a face shield if there is any risk of splashing or working in confined spaces. People also forget to change or launder work clothing after application, which can lead to secondary exposure. Remove work clothes before entering the home. Wash separately using a full cycle and hot water if permitted by the garment care label, and store them away from family laundry. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and to help contractors find work that fits their skills. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and compare experiences with products like Pesti Smart Pest Plan.